Hey guys, so it's been a long time, but I was not redoing my whole room, but I'm reorganizing everything again because it's currently week 4 of quarantine. This is the end of week 4 and I'm really bored, so I decided, why don't I just make a video out of what I'm already doing while I'm bored in quarantine. Okay, let's get started. This and that bin were up there, stacked along with all those clothes on this end, along with my comforter. The shelf used to be under here, if you can see, but I wanted to get rid of, that's gross, I'm so sorry. I wanted to get rid of everything under here because I want a bed with drawers so I could get rid of this beauty that my mom used to have when she was a kid. So basically, I'm gonna clean out everything here, and then this drawer, I'll move everything down one so the empty one will be on top, and then this stuff along with like leggings and shorts I wear in the winter and summer will go up there. Okay, I have to be quiet because it's literally like 1:20, 1:30 a.m. and everyone is sleeping in my house, so I want to show you something real quick. I'm sorry, but right here is all my tennis clothes, my shorts, my regular shorts, and then I have nicer jean shorts and exercise shorts. So basically, I'm getting progress, but it's already 1 a.m. so we'll see. Okay, it's been like an hour-ish. I think it's like 2:30. I first started folding the mini tees to go in here, but then I realized it's almost summer, so I should put those in the top drawer along with the stuff that's in this drawer. So I took out the long sleeves that were over there. I folded the black and blue ones, and then I'm gonna put these on top. So let's see if I can get a good angle. Wait, which way is it facing? Look at that beauty. Oh, you can't see it. Look at that beauty. But yeah. So yeah, that's good. I'm gonna put that up there. In the middle one. Yeet. Okay. I'll check in when I start moving other stuff. Okay, one more thing I'm gonna show you before I go to sleep. So this is the first drawer. It's really neat. It's all my t-shirts. Sorry, that was my foot. So here I have my jeans, my sweatpants, and then I have socks. So what I think I'm gonna do is, this drawer is empty. I'm gonna put my underwear, my bras, my socks, my bathing suits, and then any clothes for that season. So it's currently been another hour. It's 3:32. This is the current progress. These are bathing suits. I have no clue where I'm gonna put those. The shorts, sports, and jeans, or fancy, or whatever you want to say, will go up in this bin. And I finished this drawer. So over here I had to refold all my tiny tops because it was an inch too short or whatever. So I refolded all of them. Here I have my old basketball socks. I have cozy socks. And then these are all ankle cut underwear and bras. So that's it. I'm just gonna put the leggings in here. Another check-in when I finish. Okay, it's currently 3:40 something, but for tonight I'm going to stop. It's the next day. Still have the gross pimple, I know. It's been here for a while. I've gotten used to it, it's fine. So up there are these Vans boxes with memorabilia that used to be there, but there I'm gonna put my onesies and my big hoodies. And then I just have these 2 boxes to go up. And then my exercising shorts that I'll wear a lot in the summer. I don't know what I'm wardrobe up there, and I have more Vans boxes under my bed. Plus update. I really haven't done anything because my mom and I were watching the first season of All American because I mentioned the show to her, so I wanted to watch it with her. But basically, put the 1 season jackets up there. All the shoe boxes with a couple stuff are in there. Then I faced the bins this way, so it took up the whole shelf. Then also, I know I said I didn't do anything. I moved everything down a drawer, so that's the drawer that used to be on the bottom. This is all my t-shirts. And then these are all my pants and leggings and stuff. So it's a little cleaner. Trying to clean out this drawer so I can add all this like extra stuff. This is to get rid of along with this stuff. So yeah, probably gonna clean the bathroom so I can put that in there somewhere. But that's all the progress I've made in the past like 3 hours, so yeah. So we made a lot of progress. It got messier, but that's all to get rid of all that stuff. So this drawer is empty basically. This was my makeup drawer. So I'll show you where it all. I think I have a before picture. Sorry, that was really. This is the drawer I cleaned out. So these are all empty bins. So I cleaned it out and I put them in here. Dang it. I was gonna grab something. We're gonna do one more update for the night. This stuff, I don't even know. That was in those bins when I took it down. Everything over here, like in overs to get rid of. This bin's empty. This is just the leftover stuff from this drawer that was full this morning. And then this will go in my bathroom. Probably gonna bring this to the bathroom too. But I still have a lot of stuff under my bed. And I'm gonna try to get rid of all of this. So if I ever get a bed with drawers, I can fit, like, all I have left are these 2 bottom drawers. So let me show you what's in here real quick. So in this drawer is all the books I've not ever read, because I got rid of some of my favorite books that I've read. These are all like, so basically all my hardback books. So basically, I wanted to get the bed. I'll insert like a picture right here. I wanted to get that bed for my birthday, but since we're quarantined, we can't go to IKEA. But I don't know if my parents are gonna order it for my birthday, so we'll see. So it's literally been forever. I literally haven't done anything at all today. My brother just helped me take, this is all the stuff from out under my bed. I don't know where I'm gonna put it because I can't put it in there because I'm gonna get rid of that soon. We're gonna shift everything over, get a new bed, hopefully. And I don't have any room for this, so I just went through this like last week during quarantine, but I guess we're gonna go through it again. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's like 6 o'clock maybe. Today I didn't do anything because I woke up late, and then 2 hours later I took a nap. So this is like the current room. Nothing's happened since yesterday, but I think this is going to be the end of part 1. There will be around 4 or 5 parts. Part 1 will be this video. Part 2 will be me just like cleaning everything. Part 3 will be like hopefully me getting the bed and putting everything that I want to inside, and then maybe like showing me getting rid of this dresser. You can see my phone right there and my food right here. But and then part 5 will be a room tour. So thanks for watching part 1. Tune in. Hopefully I'll get my bed for my birthday if they order it, but I don't know when I'll get it. So